Building a long-term brand from Arbitrage success is the natural evolution for online sellers who want stability, recognition, and lasting value. In 2026, the most successful entrepreneurs in e-commerce aren't just flipping products. They're turning their arbitrage wins into scalable, recognizable brands that customers trust. The journey starts with data. Arbitrage gives you real-world insights into what sells, which categories perform best, and what customers truly want. Every profitable product you've sold provides clues about long-term brand opportunities. Track patterns. Products with consistent demand, strong margins, and recurring customers are your best indicators for brand potential. Once you've identified a promising niche, it's time to shift your mindset from reseller to brand builder. Choose a category that excites you and has room for improvement. Maybe you've noticed gaps in eco-friendly household goods, ergonomic office tools, or premium pet products. Your goal is to find an underserved market and create products that stand out. Next, focus on branding fundamentals. A strong brand begins with identity, your name, logo, and message. Use tools like Canva, Fiverr, or 99 Designs to create professional branding assets. Define your brand voice. Are you playful, premium, or purpose-driven? Consistency across packaging, listings, and social media builds trust and recognition. Then, develop your product line strategically. Start with one hero product that represents your brand's mission, then expand based on customer feedback and performance data. For example, if your brand focuses on sustainable kitchen tools, begin with one innovative product and gradually add complementary items. This creates a cohesive ecosystem rather than random listings. Your arbitrage experience gives you an advantage here. You already understand pricing psychology, sourcing efficiency, and how to read marketplace data. Use that knowledge to position your brand competitively while maintaining strong margins. Marketing is where your brand comes to life. Invest in storytelling through high-quality product videos, social media engagement, and influencer partnerships. Platforms like TikTok Shop, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts are powerful tools for brand awareness in 2026. The goal is to connect emotionally with your audience, not just sell products. Customer experience is the foundation of long-term success. Prioritize fast fulfillment, responsive communication, and post-purchase engagement. Use follow-up emails or loyalty programs to keep customers coming back. A satisfied customer isn't just a one-time sale. They're your best marketing channel through reviews and word of mouth. As your brand grows, consider expanding beyond marketplaces like Amazon and Walmart. Launch your own Shopify store to control the customer relationship fully. This gives you flexibility in pricing, promotions, and branding, helping you build a direct audience outside of third-party platforms. Finally, reinvest your profits wisely. Use your arbitrage income to fund brand expansion, product development, and marketing. The goal is to transition from quick-turn sales to a self-sustaining business that builds equity and recognition. In 2026, the path to e-commerce wealth isn't just flipping, it's creating. Arbitrage is your foundation, but branding is your legacy. Build a business that outlasts trends, earns loyalty, and makes your name synonymous with quality and trust.